Flora was a 12-year-old fairy with shimmering green wings, a mischievous sparkle in her eyes, and a talent for getting into magical trouble. She lived in a cozy treehouse nestled deep in the enchanted forest. Her home was surrounded by talking flowers, glowing mushrooms, and a world of wonder. While other fairies focused on spreading pixie dust and helping nature thrive, Flora loved experimenting with spells from her collection of ancient, glowing books. One sunny morning, Flora decided to create a spell that would grow the world's biggest strawberry. Confidently, she stirred her bubbling cauldron, her wand flickering with magical energy as she read aloud from a glowing scroll. With a dramatic wave of her wand, Flora cast the spell. At first, it seemed to work perfectly. The tiny strawberry seed in her flower pot began to grow and grow until it burst out of the pot with a loud pop. But Flora's excitement quickly turned to alarm as the strawberry kept growing, rolling off her workbench, crashing through the door, and bouncing down the treehouse stairs. Outside, a startled rabbit barely escaped as the giant strawberry barreled through the forest, leaving a trail of smashed plants and upset animals. Flora quickly took to the air, her wings shimmering in the sunlight as she chased after the runaway fruit. "I'm sorry," she called to a squirrel whose carefully stacked pile of nuts was sent flying. A grumpy owl hooted disapprovingly as the strawberry bounced past his hollow. Flora darted through vines and ducked under branches, determined to catch her out-of-control creation, Sparkling Pond. The strawberry rolled into the water with a massive splash, soaking Flora as she landed nearby. Before she could figure out what to do next, an old turtle poked his head out of the water and laughed. "Looks like you've been up to some wild magic, young fairy," he said with a wise yet playful grin. Flora sighed, wiping her wet face, and explained her situation. The turtle offered to teach her how to focus her magic and avoid future mishaps. Under the turtle's guidance, Flora practiced her spells. She made flowers dance, created tiny rainbows in the air, and learned to control her wand's glowing energy. Feeling confident, Flora decided to try again with the strawberry. But instead of a fruit, her spell transformed the giant strawberry into a wiggling mound of jelly. Flora and the turtle burst into laughter as the jelly jiggled and bounced uncontrollably. Unfortunately, the jelly spell caused chaos throughout the forest. The animals began bouncing like jelly beans, and the trees transformed into candy canes. Flora laughed so hard she could barely hold her wand steady. Realizing she had to fix the mess, Flora took a deep breath and remembered everything the turtle had taught her. With a careful and precise wave of her wand, she returned the forest to normal. The animals cheered as the squirrel offered her a tiny acorn as a thank you gift. As a final touch, Flora transformed the jelly back into a strawberry, creating a feast for everyone in the forest. They gathered for a picnic, enjoying strawberry pie, smoothies, and other treats under the sunny sky. The wise turtle chuckled, "Next time, young fairy, make sure your spells are a little less bouncy." Flora grinned, promising to practice more, though she secretly loved the silliness of her magical adventures. That evening, Flora sat in her treehouse, writing in her spell journal under the warm glow of lanterns. She smiled and wrote, "Lesson learned, magic is funniest when it's shared." And with that, Flora closed her journal, ready to dream of her next hilarious adventure.